My friend, while cleaning up the garden, I have spotting on something that's very cool. Amazing teamwork. You don't believe that? This is amazing. When they're still alive, powerful and strong, they don't respect anything. They are not very nice, very kind to any living beings. But after life, after you die, look what happened to this powerful living creature. Follow me, okay? I see what's going on here, okay? Thank you very much. I told you already, life is beautiful and short, impermanent. Why you not follow my teaching? Now you die. You see what happened after die? You like this, my friends. Why you don't promote love, happy and peace for humanity? Don't be silly. Don't be selfishness and greedy. Life impermanent. One day we all die, okay? So this is a great lesson for humanity. Stop greedy, stop aggressive. Promote love and happiness for humanity. Guy, this is the recycle of the life, the cycle of life. When this was still alive, they might kill this red jungle ant. Now this wasp is died and being carried away from the ground up on the tree by 1,000 red ants. Look, my God, this is absolutely the strong spirit, the reunion, the spirit of love, compassion, work as a team to carry this wasp up on the tree for food. Oh my God, incredible. Have you seen this? It's amazing. Small but a big change, very powerful. Follow me to see how they're doing in this one, okay? Wow, when you're still alive, you're not being nice to your friends. You're being aggressive and greedy. You don't be kind to the living creatures. Very selfish. Now you die. You know what happened after you die? Yeah, you see like this. This is the law of jungle. It's natural law. When you die, someone eats you. Come on, everybody. Come on. Teamwork. Come on, everybody. Don't be lazy, okay? Do your hard work. This is for our home. This is food for our generation and children. Come on. Okay. Good job, boss. Right, let's go, everybody. Faster, faster. Ready for our children. Come on, everybody. Wait. Wow, my God. Faster, faster. Okay, faster. Great job. Everybody done a great job. It's amazing. Go for generation, for our children. They're waiting for food, man.